Making realistic AI influencers has always been a challenge, but not anymore. Take a look at the Zara haul.
Hi guys, welcome to my Zara haul. Let me know your favorite one.
This influencer was AI generated. She is not real, but the video looks so good and so realistic that you cannot tell it is AI generated.
Okay, outfit check, walking in, here's the side profile and of course the back details. And you know I had to give you a little dance in this one.
On today's video, I'm going to show you my exact workflow that I used to create realistic looking AI influencers with consistent character in every scene. So now if you want to learn how to do this, let's get straight into the video. So now to begin our creation, we have to first of all create what our character, our AI influencer is going to look like. To do this, I'm going to go on Pinterest. Now I want my character to look like an African in Nigerian. So I'm just going to type beautiful Nigerian images. So these are some of the results that came out, and I'm going to look for one that I really like what she looks like and save the image. So for this case, I really like this girl's picture. So I'm just going to right click it and I'm going to save the image. So for all my AI generations today, I'm going to be using the AI platform called ChatArt. ChatArt is an all-in-one AI platform that has all forms of AI tools, from image generation tools to video generation tools to even music generation tools. Okay, so we're going to start off first by logging in onto the platform. The link to ChatArt is going to be in the description box. Once you log into ChatArt, it opens up like this, right? So now we're going to go over here and we're going to select the image to image. What we want to do is to create the image, what our influencer is going to look like. The image to image interface opens like this. We're going to click over here and we're going to upload that image that we just downloaded from Pinterest, right? We're going to go over here and we're going to select Nano Pro. What we want to do is we want to create an image that looks like this girl but is not this girl, right? So that's going to be our AI influencer. I have a prompt document that has all the prompts that we are going to use in this video, and if you would like it, just write influencer in the comments and I'm going to send you the document to this prompt. All right, so what we are going to do now for the base generation, I'm going to copy this first prompt, which says, based on the facial features of this image above, generate a new face that looks different from it but still gets some inspiration from the uploaded image, right? So please note that I've selected Nano Pro. That's what's going to be our image generation AI tool for today. We are going to send the aspect ratio to 9:16 because we are generating these videos for social media. We're going to leave our definition at 2K and we are going to generate. While we wait for it to generate, hello, my name is Jayne. Welcome to Everyday AI with Jayne. On this page, I teach you how to leverage social media using AI and earn lots of revenue. So if you've not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Back to it. So our image is created. Let's see what she looks like. Ooh, look at what she looks like. I love what she looks like. So this is gonna be our influencer for today. I don't know, should we give her a name? Now to the next stage, how to create a realistic background and environment. So for this time, since I used a Zara haul in the beginning, let's do a Temu haul this time. So I'm going to go back to Pinterest and I'm going to write Temu haul. Different influencers that have done Temu hauls are going to come out. So I like this particular Temu haul. I like how she looks. So I'm just going to right click it here and I'm going to click save video as. So we're going to open the video that we just generated, right? This is what she does. She's wearing everything, right? So we're going to come to this start frame here and we're going to take a screenshot. If you're using your phone, take a screenshot. If you're using your system, take a snapshot, right? So now we're going to go back to ChatArt. So we are going to delete this image here and we're going to clean off the prompts. We're going to click here and upload that screenshot that we just took. And secondly, we're going to upload the image of this girl, our AI influencer. So we're going to come here and write this prompt. Note that it's in the prompt document, and if you want the prompt document, you can just comment influencer and I'm going to send you this document. All right, so copy. We're going to go to ChatArt and we're going to paste it, and we'll still make sure that what is selected is Nano Pro. All right, so we want our image 2, which is her, to be posing and dressing like image 1. We're going to make sure aspect ratio is still 9:16 and we're going to click generate. Wow, that generation looked. So she is now posing and standing just like the lady in the same room. So now we're going to go to the point where we're going to turn this now into a video. So we're going to go to the prompt document. In the prompt document, I say she raises up the Zara bag she's holding. That was for the opener video. So now we're going to change everywhere we have Zara to Temu. So I'm going to copy this prompt right now. Now back to ChatArt. We're not going to be using the image to image interface. We're going to be using the image to video interface now. So we're going to go over here and see image to video, and we're going to select it. We're going to go over here and we're going to select VEO3 fast. Whenever you want to create anything that has to do with realistic human motions, the best AI tool I think you should use is VEO3. It is very realistic in the generations of humans. Okay, click here and then we're going to select the image of our influencer and we paste the prompt. Do you see that? So we're going to do that and we're going to make sure that we select 1080p so that we can have good quality. It's an 8-second duration video and we're going to click generate.
Hi guys, welcome to my Temu haul. Let me know your favorite one.
I think this looks very real. She looks like a real person standing in a real room. It came out very well. So now we're going to go into her wearing the different outfits. You can go on Pinterest and download as many outfits as you like. These are the ones that I've downloaded that I want her to try on in this video. So we're going to go back to ChatArt, click upload image and then select our AI influencers base. We're going to go over to our prompt document and we're going to copy the outfit change prompt and we are going to paste it here. Now here we are going to upload the outfit we want her to wear. So we're going to click here. We're going to select outfit and we're going to start off with this first outfit, okay? And I'm going to click open. So what does my prompt say? Keep everything in image 1, which is her, the same, except the outfit. All right, you make sure that 1016 is selected and you're going to click generate. So with that on, we are going to now create all the, just changing here with the different outfits, we're going to create the 3 other outfits. So now all the outfits are generated. Wow, can you see her on the outfit, even with the glasses and everything? Like, it is so amazing. And she still looks like herself and looks very realistic. Now we are going to turn this our AI influencer in these different outfits to videos, okay? So we're going to go back to ChatArt and we are going to select image to video as we did for the first one. So we're going to go over here. We're going to select VEO3 fast. We're going to click over here and we're going to upload the first outfit that she wore. We're going to go to our prompt document. I told you that I have a prompt document and I'm going to copy here, go back to ChatArt here and we're going to post the video description. So what are we saying here? She moves towards the camera and she shows us her outfit. She shows the side view, the back view to us, and she does a little hip dance like an influencer. You're going to take 1080p seconds. I'm going to click generate. So you're going to do these generations for all the outfits you want your influencer to wear in this try on haul. And when you are done with all these videos that you generated, you just go to your video editor and then just piece them back to back to back to back like a normal TikTok video, and you click export, and this is what you have.
Hi guys, welcome to my Temu haul. Let me know your favorite one.
Give me applause, give me a like. I get. Give me applause, give me a like. I get.
Now you can access ChatArt with the link in my description, and it's a one-stop shop for you to create all these things just in one place. And they do have different payment plans, but you do have some free credits for a free trial that you can use to just try out the overall feel of this platform. So guys, I'll see you guys on the next video.